In this problem, we're being asked to multiply a binomial with 2 terms to a trinomial that has 3 terms. Now, one way you can do this is to distribute the binomial to all 3 terms of the trinomial. So I'm distributing the binomial to x squared. So here I have x squared times the binomial. Then I'm distributing the binomial to 7x. So I have 7x times the binomial. And I'm distributing the binomial to minus 4. So I have minus 4 times the binomial. Then from this point, I would have to distribute the monomials inside the binomials and combine like terms. But another way to do it that really helps organize your work is called the area model. So I have a binomial with 2 terms times a trinomial with 3 terms. So I drew a 2 by 3 box, and each term labels one of the rows or columns. And now I just multiply. It's called the area model because the area of a rectangle is length times width. So if I multiply the length times width of this box, x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times 7x would be 7x cubed. X squared times negative 4 would be negative 4x squared. Positive 2 times x squared is 2x squared. Positive 2 times 7x is 14x. And positive 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So this is my product. Now I need to combine like terms. I can see I have an x to the 4th term, but no other term has a degree 4. So I'm going to write that out. I have an x to the 3rd term here. No other term has degree 3, so I have a positive 7x to the 3rd. Here I have a 2x squared and a negative 4x squared. So if I have 2x squared and I take 4x squareds away, that's going to drop me down to negative 2x squared. This term has a degree 1. There are no other terms that are plain x's, so I have a plus 14x. And then my last term is the constant negative 8. So I'm going to include negative 8 since there are no other constants to combine it with. So the product of this binomial times this trinomial is this polynomial right here. And I would have gotten the same thing up here just to verify. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. X squared times positive 2 is positive 2x squared. Positive 7x times x squared is positive 7x cubed. Positive 7x times positive 2 is positive 14x. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times positive 2 is a negative 8. And when I combine like terms, I get my x to the 4th. I have my x to the 3rd there. These two like terms combined to my x squared term. Then I had my plain x and my constant. So I got the same answer either way.